Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying compatibility. Is it a wired USB keyboard, a Bluetooth model, or an official Xbox chatpad that mounts on the controller? Once you know, update the controller firmware using the Xbox Accessories app. This prevents connection issues. Make sure the controller has charge and the console or PC is on. Now grab any adapters, USB OTC, wireless dongle. You need and position yourself near the console to keep cables tidy and pairing reliable. Next, physically connect. If you have a chatpad, slide it onto the controller's expansion port until it clicks. If using a USB keyboard with an adapter, plug the adapter into the controller or console USB. For wireless keyboards, enable pairing mode and press the adapter's sync button. Once connected, open the Xbox Accessories app to confirm the device is detected and remap keys if necessary. This makes sure chat and shortcuts work correctly. Test by typing in a text field and adjust placement for. Finish by testing the keyboard in a chat box and in-game text fields so you confirm both typing and shortcut keys work. If nothing appears, power cycle the controller and console, then repair the keyboard. Try a different USB port or adapter. Make sure firmware is up to date and batteries are fresh. If problems persist, try another keyboard to rule out hardware failure. This isolates whether the controller, adapter, or keyboard needs replacement or further updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.